Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can play online with random players in WWE 2K26. It's pretty easy. All I have to do, just go to online section and select the first option, lobbies, and right here you'll able to see lobbies available for you. You can press the left stick down in order to refresh, and that way you'll able to find couple of more. So you can just choose which one you like, and also the best part is that you can press the option button to filter out. So you can filter out by match type, match rule, and then you can select arena, whatever that is, you will able to like basically filter out. And also there is a button which you can press to create lobby, which is X in my case. So here we'll able to create lobby by our choice. Like we can go for normal, triple threat, we can choose the arena and just basically select play. That way we'll able to create the lobby. So you can just choose your player and wait for other players to join, but in my case I just wanna join another player's lobby. So for that we can just get back to this page, and from here we can choose the one we like. Let's say we go for this one, special guest referee one-on-one. If I select that, I'll able to join this lobby, and from then we'll able to play with random players. And yeah, that's all there is to it. This is the best way to play online with random players in WWE 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.